Part of the fun of cooking is using cool kitchen gadgets. In this video, we will show you 17 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Protect your cabinets with the BeesVo Under Sink Mat. This large silicone mat with a raised lip is a must-have for keeping your under-sink area dry and damage-free. Experience peace of mind with the high outer lip design. It can hold up to 3.3 gallons of water, giving you ample time to address any leaks. Say goodbye to cabinet corrosion. This mat creates a powerful barrier against water and liquid leaks, preserving your cabinetry for years to come. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the flexible, waterproof silicone material. Simply wipe with a wet cloth or rinse with water to maintain freshness. Illuminate your space effortlessly with MCGOR under cabinet lights. The motion sensor mode detects movement within 120 degrees and 10 feet, activating in low light conditions. Enjoy versatility with 3 operating modes: motion activated, always on, and off. Perfect for both quick nighttime tasks and prolonged daytime use. Experience eye-friendly illumination from 40 energy-saving LEDs behind a non-glare frosted cover. Choose from 5 brightness levels to suit any need. Forget about wiring or battery replacements. These lights feature a rechargeable 1800 mAh battery, lasting up to 30 days on motion sensor mode. Transform your kitchen organization with Bloomondo glass spice jars. This set combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, bringing a touch of artistry to your spice storage. Experience premium quality with 12 borosilicate glass jars, each 2.3 inches wide and 3.5 inch tall. These robust containers are dishwasher safe and designed for frequent handling. Keep your spices fresh with airtight bamboo lids. These hermetically sealed containers lock in aromas while keeping oxygen and dust out. Enjoy effortless organization with 160 pre-printed labels. The set includes blank and expiration labels for complete customization of your spice collection. Discover the versatility of the Trivae unique patented pan lid, a 4-in-1 kitchen marvel that revolutionizes cooking and serving. Experience the convenience of a lid stand that accommodates all sizes and shapes, from small saucepans to large slow cookers. Transform your serving game with this adjustable trivet and pan holder. It elevates dishes, maximizing table space and showcasing your culinary creations. Impress guests by using it as a display stand for cakes, pizzas, and appetizers. It's the perfect way to add flair to your entertaining. Built to last, the cast metal frame supports up to 10 pounds, handling even your heaviest cookware with ease. Elevate your culinary experience with the CAROTE kitchen knife set. Razor-sharp stainless steel blades bring efficiency to your daily food prep. Enjoy lasting performance with the multicolored ceramic coating. It resists chips, stains, and corrosion, ensuring food safety with every slice. Experience comfort and control with the ergonomic handles. Their anti-slip design provides a steady grip even when your hands are wet or slippery. Safety meets convenience with individual blade guards for each knife. Store them securely in kitchen cabinets or take them on your next camping trip. From precise chopping to effortless slicing, these knives tackle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Tackle kitchen germs with confidence using Lysol Pro Kitchen Cleaner. It eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. Say goodbye to stubborn messes. This powerful formula cuts through tough baked-on grease with ease, leaving surfaces spotless. Enjoy a fresh citrus scent in your kitchen. No harsh chemical residue means a clean you can see, smell, and feel good about. Versatility is key. Use it on countertops, tables, oven exteriors, high chairs, and kitchen appliances for comprehensive cleaning. Experience the convenience of an easy-to-use spray. Simply apply to greasy stains, wipe away, and reveal sparkling clean surfaces. Discover effortless kitchen organization with the Beeland Dish Drying Rack. Its automatic drainage system whisks away excess water, keeping your countertop dry. Maximize your space with the clever 2-tier design. This compact rack accommodates a family's worth of dishes in a footprint of just 16.5 by 12.6 inches. Experience versatile storage options. The top tier holds 14 plates or pots, while the bottom tier accommodates up to 20 bowls. Keep your utensils organized with 2 dedicated cutlery racks. Plus, enjoy specialized storage for cups and cutting boards. Transform your kitchen storage with the ORDORA Pots and Pans Organizer. Its versatile design offers 2 DIY methods for customized organization. Adapt to any space with the expandable rack. It adjusts from 12 to 23 inches, fitting perfectly in cabinets, pantries, or deep drawers. Experience unmatched stability. The deep snap design ensures even heavy-duty pans stay securely in place without dividers popping out. Protect your cookware with the latest anti-scratch strips. Longer tubes prevent sliding, keeping your pots and pans in pristine condition. Maximize your storage potential with 10 removable and adjustable dividers. Customize the layout to fit 9 or more items of various sizes. Revolutionize your kitchen organization with the LIBODOUR Kitchen Utensil Holder. Its 360-degree rotating design offers easy access to all your cooking tools. Experience stability and countertop protection with the large base featuring 4 non-slip rubber pieces. No more worries about scratches or tipping. Maximize your space efficiently. At just 6.25 inch by 6.25 by 8 inch, this holder stores up to 15 large-handled tools without cluttering your countertop. Enjoy long-lasting durability with high-quality stainless steel construction. It resists fingerprints, rust, and corrosion for enduring elegance. This 8-piece set combines style and functionality in one beautiful package. From cooking to serving, these chic ombre-colored bowls transition seamlessly from kitchen to table. They're as decorative as they are practical. The set includes 4 versatile sizes: 13-aughts, 24-aughts, 41-aughts, and 73-aughts. Find the right bowl for every culinary task. Space-saving design is key. These nesting bowls stack neatly for compact storage, maximizing your kitchen space. Sturdy, clear lids allow for easy stacking in the fridge or freezer. Quickly identify contents without unstacking. Keep your sink area tidy with the OXO Good Grips Stronghold Suction Sponge Holder. This clever device combines practicality with innovative design. The strong suction cup, free from phthalates, secures firmly to your sink with just a push of a lever. No more sliding sponge holders. Drainage slots in the holder ensure quick drying, preventing mildew and unpleasant odors from developing on your sponge. Need more sink space? The removable holder detaches from the suction base, giving you room for larger items when needed. Discover the convenience of the Nihow Pot Lid Holder, a high-fired ceramic solution for your kitchen organization needs. This stable stand accommodates most lid sizes and weights without tipping over. For thicker lids, simply place them on the opposite side for added stability. Say goodbye to wet countertops and cluttered stovetops. This compact 5.5-inch holder saves valuable kitchen space while keeping your lids off flat surfaces. Unlike stainless steel alternatives, the smooth ceramic design prevents injuries during cleaning. It's anti-slip, anti-stain, and won't scratch your counters. Introducing the Dutiplus pull-out and rotate spice rack. Each pod features 5 snap positions, allowing you to adjust shelf height for 5 levels of storage, customized to fit your items perfectly. With shelf dimensions of 8.3 inches width by 2.6 inches depth, this rack is ideal for standard-sized items. Note that it's not designed for bulk or family-sized products. Versatility is key. Use it in kitchen cabinets, cupboards, bathrooms, or craft areas. It's perfect for spices, medications, makeup, crafts, and more. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter. This organizer creates quick access to everything you need, making cooking a joy for spice enthusiasts. Introduce precision to your cooking with Walfos stainless steel kitchen tongs. Crafted from 100% food-grade stainless steel, they're durable, rust-resistant, and lightweight. The 1mm thick, corrosion-resistant construction ensures unbeatable strength and premium quality. These tongs are built to last. Comfort meets functionality with non-slip silicone handles. The cushion grip provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue. Featuring innovative ring pull locking technology, These tongs stay closed when not in use. No more accidental openings in your drawer. Use them for grilling, flipping burgers, serving salads, or any kitchen task. Discover the Home GENIE slip-resistant drawer and shelf liner, your solution for organized, protected surfaces. This non-adhesive liner features an incredibly strong grip, keeping items in place without slipping or sliding. Say goodbye to messy drawers and shelves. Protect your surfaces from everyday wear and tear. The unique open grid design allows surfaces to breathe while providing a thick barrier against scratches and stains. Installation is a breeze. At 12 inches by 20 feet, this liner is easy to measure and cut to fit any space perfectly. This sleek scale combines all the features you need with an attractive design and an affordable price point. Precision is key in the kitchen. With 4 high-accuracy sensors, this scale measures ingredients from as little as 1 gram up to 11 pounds. Versatility meets convenience with 4 different units of measurement available at your fingertips. Style meets function in this digital food scale. Its modern design and range of stylish colors complement any kitchen decor. Don't let its good looks fool you. This scale is compact enough to fit easily in a drawer, saving valuable counter space. Crafted with durable, high-quality fiber bristles, this brush resists abrasion, flattening, and deformation. It's built to last and maintain its effectiveness. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wash with soap after use. No more worries about lingering food particles or grease. The built-in scraper tip is a game changer. Easily removes stuck-on food and tough stains without scratching your cookware or sink. Comfort is key with the non-slip rubber handle. It stays secure in your grip, making housework a more pleasant experience. Keep your hands clean and dry while you work. The long handle design puts a comfortable distance between you and the mess.